products I'll be using in today's video are from the ColorStay collection, which is long wearing. The foundation lasts for up to 24 hours, and look how natural my skin looks. I'm just dabbing a little bit on my middle fingers, and I'm just going to put it all over.
All right, so I'm gonna be using the Revlon blending sponge with the makeup. And we're just gonna spot treat. So you guys see how I have like hyperpigmentation here, like on my nose, like around here. Those are the spots that I like to hit first because I like to go and make sure that they have the most product so that they are covered nicely. And I do like that this is medium to full coverage. As well as it does have SPF 15, so it is perfect for an outdoor workout.
Then I'll take the Revlon foundation brush and work it into my skin. I'm also careful to blend the foundation down the neck so that from the face to the body, you have a seamless transition.
And look at the color match, guys. All right, how we looking? Good? All right.